Hi, welcome to Grade 5th cbse all subject by Savita for the YouTube channel. Kids, this 1 hour computer lecture for cbse board class 5th. Codepilot version 5.0. Today we start first one computer chapter. Kids, today we start our computer lecture first chapter. It's a Codepilot version 5.0. Kids, take out your computer textbook. We're on page number 7 and today's our lesson title, Word Tables the Easy Way. Chapter first. Kids, from this one chapter, which points we learn? First one, what is a table? Second one, creating a table in Word. Third one, adding data in a table. Selecting cells, rows, columns and table. Next one, editing a table, styling a table, and last 1 hour point which we learn from this one chapter, merging and splitting cells. Kids, here is our best friend, one girl you see here, and her friend also here, Arrow. She asking her friend, "Hey Arrow, I have made an invitation list of my friends for my birthday in Word, but it looks messy." Arrow saying, "That's when you use a table. It keeps everything in neat rows and columns." Yes. Girl saying, "Oh, really? Can I add names and phone numbers too?" Arrow say, "Yes, you can. Put each details in a separate box to keep it tidy." Girl saying, "This will make my birthday list look so organized." Arrow saying, "Yes, let me show you now." Then time to turn page. Kids, this one computer textbook already gives us about the series, how we learn from. On this series, we make one special lecture in next time. Okay? Bridge back. From bridge back means we remember previous information. Textbook given here 3 pictures and ask us identify this one. This one your homework. Okay? Comment me. Identify the following word tools and write their names. In your previous class, you learned how to insert picture, word art, this one, word art, shapes and more. Now you will learn how to insert and use tables in your document. Tables help you organize information in a clear and neat way using rows and columns. Next we learn first one point or a topic from this one chapter. What is a table? A table is a way to arrange information using rows and columns. It helps you show data clearly so it's easier to read and understand. You can use tables to make lists, timetables, chart, or to keep things organized in a grid. Now, parts of a table. 3 parts here: row, cell, columns. Okay, a table in a word is made of different parts that help organize information clearly. A table has rows, columns and cells. what is the rows, what is the columns, and what is the cell. Okay, please, this one information very important for question answers. Okay, what is the rows? Here is a row is a horizontal line of a cell in a table, or you can write down difference between there. Okay, rows is a horizontal line of cells in a table. Each row typically contains data of the same type. Columns. About columns. A column is a vertical line of cell in a table. Columns contain data organized under specific headings. Third one, cell. A cell is the individual unit where data is entered. It is the intersection of a row and a column. You can see this one box means a row. Okay, and cell means this one box. You can see this one a cell, and columns means this one columns. Okay, next point, our uses of tables in a Word document. Okay, uses now we learn. Tables in Word documents are commonly used for, first one, organizing data in a clear and a readable format. Second one, comparing values or showing relationship between items. Third one, presenting schedules, lists, and other data that require clear alignment. Then next one, creating a table in a Word. This one for practical also. Okay, so please pay attention. Word lets you create tables based on your needs and offers two different methods to insert a table into your documents. Now we learn inserting a table using table grid. To insert a table using table grid, follow the given steps. First one step, click on the insert tab. First, click on the insert tab. Second one, click on the table drop down arrow. You can see here arrow showing drop down arrow. First one, here is a insert tab. So we click on the insert tab. Second one, we click on a table drop down arrow here. Okay, then third one here, however the mouse pointer over the grid to select the required number of rows and columns, then click the left mouse button. These are 3 steps. Here a table with 4 columns and 5 rows will be inserted into the document. Okay, this one for practical, very important. Now we learn about inserting a table using insert table option. The insert table option allows you to insert a table with a greater number of rows and columns. To insert a table using the insert table option, few steps are here. Okay, follow the given steps. First one, click on the insert tab. Kids, always remember, first when we want to form a table, okay, always first one steps are click on the insert button. Upper side you can see here is a insert button, click on there. Okay, then second one, click on the table drop down arrow. Where is, you can see here this one are table picture you can see, and table table word also you can see, and here is a 1 point drop down arrow, click there. Okay, then third one you can see this type insert table, so click on the insert table option. Okay, then fourth one you can see this type pictures, enter the desired number of columns and rows here. Okay, then fifth one, click on the OK button. Here is if we done. Okay, then turn page. Next topic, we learn adding data in a table. We form a table. Okay, then adding data, how we add there data. Okay, next our topic. Once you have inserted a table, you can begin adding data by simply clicking any cell and typing. To insert data into a table, follow the given steps. First one step, click inside the cell of the table in which you want to enter the data and type the required data. Here, for example, name, okay, subject name you can write down. Then second one, press the tab key on the keyboard to go to the next adjoining cell. For example, here you tap insert, click on a tab button, then your cursor jump here. Okay, to move to the cell on the left, shift plus tab. Okay, then next topic, selecting cells, rows, columns and tables. In Word, you can choose a single cell, a group of cells, a row, a column, or even the entire table. Here are the steps for selecting cells, rows, columns and tables. To select a single cell, move the mouse pointer to the left edge of the cell. When it turns into a back right pointing arrow, click to select the cell. This type. Okay. To select a group of a cell, click one cell. Okay. Drag to select more and release the mouse button when done. This type. Okay. Now, the select an entire row. If we want to select entire row, move the mouse pointer outside the left edge of the first cell in the row. When it turns into a white right pointing arrow, click to select the entire row. This type. Okay. Next, to select an entire columns, move the mouse pointer outside the top edge of the first cell. When it turns into a back down pointing arrow, click to select the columns. Next one, to select on entire table, okay, whole table, entire table, when you want to select, move the mouse pointer to the top left corner from here, okay, and drag this type. Move the mouse pointer to the top left corner until a four-head arrow appears. This type. You can see 4 arrows. This is called the table move handle. Click on it to select the entire table. Next one topic, editing a table. Okay. If we want to edit a table. Editing a table in a Word means making changes to the content, structure of appearance of a table you have inserted. When you select a table, two contextual tabs appear on the ribbon. The table design tab manages the table visual appearance. For example, stylish, shading or borders you want. Okay. While the table layout tab handle its structure and organization. For example, drawing tables, merging cells, row or column operation, text alignment or a sorting. Okay. Next one, subtopic, raising a table. When you insert a table, a hollow square at the bottom right corner appears. This is called the table resize handle. Click and drag it to resize the table. Next one topic, adding a new row or column. You can add, if you want, more row or columns. What you doing then? To add a new row or column in a table, few steps are here. Here, first one step, click on the row or a column where you want to add an additional row or a column. Okay, where you want, click there. Second one, click on the table layout tab. Here is a layout tab, you can see. Click there. Then third one, select the desired option. Here is a option. Okay. Now turn page. Next topic, our deleting a row or a column. If you didn't want a lot of much, there is a column or a row. If remaining one column extra is there or a row is there, then you want to delete it. Then few steps are here. First one step is select the row, column or cell you want to delete from the table. First select that one. Then second one, click on the table layout tab. Third one, click on the delete drop down arrow. Okay. And fourth one, select the desired option. That type you delete that one extra row or columns. Okay. Or key are there, short sign to delete the selected row, column, shift plus delete button. Del means delete button you press at a time. Okay. Create a Word document containing a table with 15 columns and 15 rows using the insert table features. That one for practical. Okay. If in your home you have a computer or your parents' computer you can use, then do practice this one. Okay. The next topic, moving rows or columns. You can move rows or columns within the same table. To move a row or a column, follow the given steps. Step 1, select the row or column you wish to move. Second one, right click and select the cut option. Okay. Third one, move the cursor where you want to place the row or column. Fourth one, right click and select the paste option. Now next one topic we on page number 13, changing row height and column width. Adjusting the row height and column width in a table is easy in a Word. To change the row height and column width, follow the given steps. First one step, click on the row or a column whose height or width you want to change. Second one, click on the table layout tab. And third one step, specify the row height or column width in the table row height or table column width box. Kids, you can see screen, and that type you do each and every steps. Okay. Here is a hints, one hack. To adjust width, drag the column's right edge, and to adjust height, drag the row's bottom edge. Okay. It's a GK. Use this one. Okay. Next one topic, styling a table. Styling tables enhance data presentation by customizing colors, borders and text style for better organization, Apple readability. Kids, now next topic, applying border and shading. You can improve the table's appearance using borders and shading. To apply border and shading, follow the given steps. First one step, select the table on the cell where you want to modify the borders. Second one, click on the table design tab. Third one step, click on the borders drop down arrow. And fourth one, select the borders and shading option. Here is a screen, here is a instruction. Okay, stepwise. Okay, do practical this one. Now turn page. Here is another screen and you follow sixth one step, select the all options. Seventh one, click on the shading tab. Here is a fifth one, choose the desired border first, style, color and a width. Then sixth one, select the all option. Then seventh one, click on the shading tab. And eighth one, then click on the drop down arrow of the fill option. Ninth one, there is a choose the color of your choice, which color you want, choose it, and then OK button press. Okay. Here is a rapid recall. Tick correct if you know this. Adjusting the row height and column width in a table is easy. Second one, you can move rows or columns within the same table. Yes, do it. It's your homework. Okay. Next one, changing the alignment of the text. You can change the text alignment in a table as required. There are 9 different alignment options available in Word for the table. here is a align top center, this one. Okay, this one align top left, align center left, align bottom left. Here is a align bottom center, this one. Here is a align bottom right, align bottom, align center right, and this one align top right. Okay, and this one align center. Please make this one diagram, and don't forget right, left, center. Okay, practice it. Then let's come on page number 15. To align the text in a table, follow the given steps. First one step, select the cell or a cells. Second one, click on the table layout tab. Third one, choose the desired alignment option. Now, next topic we learn using built-in table design. The table styles features in a word lets you quickly format an entire table using built-in style option. To apply a table style, follow the given steps. You can see one screen here and steps also. 3 steps are here. First one, select the table. Second one, click on the table design tab. Third one, click and select the design of your choice. One hint textbook given here. You can access more table styles by clicking the down arrow of the table styles command. Okay, this one hint hack very important for us. Okay, do your fast practicals using this one hacks or hints. Okay, you can preview the table style by hovering your mouse over the style options. Okay, interdisciplinary learning. Create a table inward listening, the music instrument invented in Bharat. Use built-in table designed to enhance its appearance. This one activity. The next one, merging and splitting cells. Merging cells means combining two or more adjacent cells into a single larger cell, while splitting cell refers to dividing a single cell into multiple cells. Next one, merging two or more cells into one. To merge cell in a table, follow the given steps. First one step is select the cell you want to split. Second one, okay, select the cell that you want to merge. Okay, and second one, click on the table layout tab, and third one, click on the merge cell option. This one screen, and here is a first, second, third steps. Okay, see carefully, observe carefully, and do practical. Okay, splitting one cell into multiple cells. To split a cell, follow the given steps. First one step, select the cell you want to split, and then second one, click on the table layout tab. Third one, click on the split cells option. Then fourth one, enter the desired number of column and rows, and fifth one, click on the OK button when you done. Okay, kids, this type you do your practicals. Next is a live learning textbook given here. Create a table on your computer and list your friends' favorite foods. Add more rows if necessary and experiment with the different alignment option. Okay, this one live practicals or live learnings. Okay, then privacy practice. When creating documents with a sensitive information, be careful where you store them. Always save important files in a secure folder or a cloud services. Here is a take terms layout. It refers to the arrangement of our text, images, and the page settings. Okay. Second one, preview. It shows how document will appear before printing or finishing. Before printing, when you want any printout, before take a printout, always see that one document preview. It's a safety for us, and in preview we can see clearly how our printout can see. Okay. uh, Contextual tab, it is a special tab in a software application that appears only when specific content or a features are selected, providing relevant tools and options. Here is a rewind run, means important topics from this one chapter. First one, statement important. A table is a way to arrange information using rows and columns. Second one, important sentence. The main parts of a table are row, columns and a cell. Third one, the insert table option allow you to insert a table with a greater number of rows and columns. Third one, fourth one, in Word, you can choose a single cell, a group of cell, a row or column, or even the entire table. Next, important, the table resize handle in used to resize the table. Next, adjusting the row height and column width in a table is easy in a Word. Next one, styling tables enhance data presentation by customizing colors, borders and text styles. Next one, there are 9 different alignment options available in Word for tables. Another one important statement, merging cells means combining two or more adjacent cells into a single larger cell, while splitting cell refers to dividing a single cell into a multiple cells. Kids, rewind run. This one very important for your helping answer writing. Kids, we finish our first one chapter. Now learning logs means question answer exercise time. Here is a A1, tick correct the correct option. First one, identify the option used to insert a table with a large number of rows, columns. Tool style, table corner, insert table or a table size. Which option correct? Third one, insert table. Now kids, turn page, time to turn page. Then we on page number 18. Second one, which of the following option cannot be selected in a table in a Word? Single cell, entire row, or group of cell, half of a cell. Half of a cell, option correct option. Then third one, mark the option that is used to select the entire table at once. Table move handle, table resize handle, table design handle, table layout handle. First one, table move handle, this one correct option. Then next one, choose the table tab that contains the option for inserting row and columns. Layout, table layout, design, table design, table design, option correct option. Fifth one, select the process which enhance data presentation using customized colors, borders and a text style. Resizing table, splitting cell, merging cell, styling tables. Which one correct? Yes, styling tables correct. B1, then write T for true and F for a false. There are two different methods to insert a table into a document. True, column width and row heights in a Word tables cannot be adjusted. False, editing a table in a Word in whole, modifying its content, structure or appearance. This one are true. There are 8 different alignment options available for tables in a Word. False, because 9 alignment option is there. Fifth one, splitting a cell refers to dividing a single cell into multiple cells. It's a true. Then next one, C1, fill in the blanks using the given hints. First one, you can improve table appearance using borders and shading. Second one, row height and column width option are found in the table layout. Third one, you can move row or columns within the same table, table. Fourth one, the table design tab manage the table's visual appearance. Fifth one, press the tab key on the keyboard to go to the next adjoining cell. Then on page number 19, here is a brief question. Answer the following question. First one, how can we select a group of cells in a table? Click one cell drag to select more and release the mouse button when done. Second one, explain the way we can resize a table in a word. Click and drag table resize handle which appearance on the bottom right corner when inserting a table. Third one, state the uses of a tables in a Word document. Uses of a table are: first one, it helps to organize data. Second one, it compares value. And third one, it represents schedule. Kids, next, fourth one, differentiate between rows and columns. When we learn first row, columns, and cells, that type, I tell you, this one statement question your computer teacher give you for a different. Here is a rows and columns. We write down first their definition, examples. Okay, let's come and search rows and columns. At the starting of this one lesson, you can see what is a row. A row is a horizontal line, and columns, you can see a column is a vertical line. This one are different, horizontal and vertical. Okay, and second one, each row typically contains data of the same type. And here is columns. Second difference, columns contain data organized under specific headings. And third one, you can draw column and row. How is different means third different we got. Okay, and write down here. Okay, I tell you orally. If you have any confusion, in next computer lecture we clear this one your doubt. Okay, fifth one, list the steps to split a cell in a table. Okay, let's come, we search. List the steps to split a cell in a table. Split a cell, splitting one cell into a multiple cells. You can see here. Here is a steps. First one, you can write down, select the cell you want to split. Then second one, click on the table layout tab. Then third one, you write down steps, click on the split cell option. Okay, then fourth one, enter the desired number of columns and the row. And fifth one, click on the OK button. All 5 steps you write down here. Okay kids, got it? If you have any doubt, comment me. We clear your doubt obviously in your next computer lecture. Okay, if you have no doubt, then we start second one chapter in next computer lecture, word power tools.